up, you guys? It's your girl Reina Asia, and I'm back with another video. And you guys, for today's video, I will be cleaning my freaking dirty, filthy, disgusting, nasty makeup brushes. And you guys, these makeup brushes were so freaking nasty. Like, I just had to clean it. Like, it wasn't no way around it.
Call the police.
So now I'm just laying them out and getting them prepared to clean them. Firstly, I'm going to be using my micellar cleansing water, and this is really good for like removing makeup and all that from your face. So I just tried it out. This is my first time actually trying it out. And secondly, I'm going to be taking my Dove body wash, and this is deep moisture kind, and it doesn't really matter what type of wash you use, but I'm just showing you guys what I use. Now I'm going to be taking my micellar water and just squirting some in both cups of hot water, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with my Dove. So now starting with the bigger brushes, I'm just going to be dipping them in there one by one. Okay, so I don't know whether to find this nasty or satisfying or both, but like, you see all that dirt and like makeup? Okay, so right here, you guys, I'm just basically like moving the brushes around, make sure it's getting all the makeup out the brushes, and just like, you know, just playing with it or whatever. So as you can see right here, you guys, this is when I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes or so, and the makeup and the water actually started separating, and it looks so freaking nasty. Like, and make sure you guys have a towel to lay your brushes out once you're done rinsing them off. And if I didn't think the brushes were clean enough after I rinsed them off, or I just seen makeup in them or whatever, then I would just take the micellar water and just put a little bit on there and just like, you know, rinse them and clean them off. you guys, this is how the water looked after I was finished. I know some people find it satisfying, so I just, recorded it. And yeah, it was like really dark and really nasty. Okay, you guys, that's all for this video. This is how the brushes came out. They're really clean now. And I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And, tune into my other videos. And also make sure you guys follow all my social medias. They're going to be on the left side of the screen, and they're going to be in the description box down below.